this video, I'm going to show you the process for creating a new product in the PIM and manually using just the PIM UI. So processes, we go into the product menu to add a new product, which is this little button here. We're going to add a SKU and a name or any other mandatory fields that you've set up within the PIM. SKU is an item code. Name is the way in which you want to describe it, which are not really limited like an ERP to a 50 character mask or something like that, but it can be as long as you like depending on how you've set up the field in the background. We're then going to update any other fields that you want to do at this stage. You can do this later, then we'll save it in the products created. So basically, we'll just show you that now, how we do that. Just one other thing, in terms of the SKU, the item code, this can be system generated if you so wish. A lot of customers now want a brand new unified SKU item code system, which can be cross-referenced back to other systems, or you could just use your existing ones from your existing ERP or the like. So you can do this as you wish. That's something you'll discuss with the team. So we'll quickly do one. We'll navigate to the product menu. We'll just go to new product. You're just confronted. These little red dots are mandatory fields, so you can start to see, and we've got a basic setup screen if you want to do it here. So we'll just call this 10-1000. This is a test product named test 1000. Again, don't worry about any of that. We can fill in any other details. So maybe we'll just add it to a category. Don't know if I've got something here. Food, test food. So you can start to add data into your basic setup screens, and then we just save that, and we have our product created. So and obviously it's ready for you to start either importing data, updating data, or whatever. What it's done is it's created a unique record within the system, this ID here, and in a lot of instances it's also using this internal one, which I'll just fill in now, but this is usually done in an automated fashion, because these are fields that we can use when we're trying to update data, so we can decide which fields we want to choose on an import update of records, where we've got to match something either to the SKU, the ID, the external reference. These are safe ones. Obviously, the SKU and the external reference are good ones to use, actually, which we'll talk to you about. So that's how you set up a product within the system.